I'm just going to use this Nicka K eyeliner pencil in dark brown. Love tracing out that first line because I can already see the vision. I'm going to go in with a little bit of my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. I'm going to try out this, what is this brand called? Is it Thread Up? I can't remember. But this is their concealer. This is in the color medium warm brown. Y'all, I don't know what's wrong with that dog. I want him to shut up. Like, he was not barking, literally none today. And he like, well, Brianna's filming, let me just start making some noise. Ooh. Yes, baby. Real nice and sharp. Okay. Now we're gonna do the other brow. Pat that concealer down. The palette that I'm gonna try today is from Klarity Kosmetics. This is their I Love Coffee palette. They came out with this palette not too long ago, but this palette is supposed to be like a revamp of the first original palette. I think they just added more colors. I never had the first one, and I've never tried Klarity Cosmetics products before, so this is going to be my first time. This is the palette that we're going to be working with today, and this palette doesn't really have a transition color in here. So I am going to, because it has this green in here, I can use this green and then go in with a little bit of these two colors, but it's not going to match my blush too much. I wasn't thinking of doing a green. Try this color Espresso. Can y'all see that? I'm just patting that color. Okay, that's not too bad. I know it looks a little lighter in the camera, but in person it's like a, once it gets on your skin, it's like a peachy color. I'm gonna go straight in with the lid, the color that I want to use on my lid. I want to use this color right here. It's called Deja Brew. This color right there. Have any glitter glue? I could probably use a little eyelash glue, right? I don't want to do that. I feel like if I had some glitter glue, it would stick better. I highly suggest doing that. It would stick. I mean, it's sticking now, but if you really want it to be a little bit more bolder, I suggest putting a glitter glue down if you have this palette. And I'm telling you, the pigmentation will be a little bit brighter, and I could just tell by this color. But this is beautiful. This is like perfect for a wedding. I would definitely like put this on a bride. This is so pretty, and it's just spreading across my eye very nicely. But I want to clean up some of this leave out. Girl, not leave out. Not leave out. Girl, you know what I'm talking about. What is this called? Girl, that's how long it's been since I sat down and did a tutorial with y'all. Girl, I don't forget what. Fallout. Ugh, girl. I'm gonna go in with this bronzer. I just need something. I'm gonna go, I hope this don't mess it up, but I'm gonna go in with this bronzer from What's Up Beauty. And this, they sent me this in PR maybe like a month or two, maybe 2 months ago. I haven't tried it yet. This is their cheeky terre line bake and press bronzer. This is in the color Deep. I hope I said that right, but I am going to use this in my crease. I just need a little, I just want a little warmth in the crease. The damn dog's still barking. I'm gonna take this color up here, Caramel Cream Frap. I'm gonna put that on the outer part right there, just to help it blend on the end right here. This is a pretty shade. Oh, that's really pretty. Probably can't really tell. And I'm gonna take a little bit of this black. I like my coffee black. We'll just take a little bit and kind of flick some of that in. Get in the crease. Then I'm gonna blend it out. I'm gonna try out the Maybelline Grippy Serum for the first time. I haven't tried this on yet. Oh my god, everything needs to be open. Probably don't need that much. For foundation today, we're going to be trying out a beauty supply store foundation. I already tried out this foundation on my channel before. It's been a while, but I had the wrong shade. But the look actually turned out pretty, but the shade definitely was wrong. So you guys, this shadow is gorgeous. Like, I can't, like, the camera, I'm telling you, is not, it's just not, it's not doing it justice. But anyways, this is the foundation from Kiss, and I had got the wrong shade, and I think I got Cappuccino the first time and definitely way off. So I decided to get Warm Coconut. And the thing about this foundation, I liked this foundation when I tried it on. It was very lightweight. It was mattifying. It felt like nothing was on my skin. Try it out again and see if Warm Coconut is a good shade for me. I hope so, because I really want to test this out. Have a pump on it. And like I said, this is from Kiss New York. This is their Pro Touch Liquid Foundation. And I got the shade Warm Coconut. On my face like this first. Okay, this might work. That might do something here. The other one was like so yellow. I don't know if you guys remember that. I will put the link down below. Ooh, was just off. But I really like that foundation, the way it felt. So I definitely wanted to try it again. Okay. So let's just blend it out and hope for the best. Probably gonna add one more pump. It's given like medium coverage, but it's definitely not light coverage neither. So it's not yeah, I mean, it's some decent coverage, like, and it just literally feels like nothing is on my face. That's what I remember about it. It's just like the color is off, and you know, it's a beauty supply store, so what can you do? I'm gonna do just a little extra pump. I just feel like I'm needed in some other spots, like my neck. I want whoever that he beeping for to come outside. He's like literally been beeping his horn. I don't know if he's testing it out. I don't know what he's doing, but I want him to stop beeping that horn. Use Tarte. I'm gonna use the Tarte concealer. So I'm going to try out the Juvias Place Loose Powder in Warm Honey. I know one of you all asked me, how do you use these little puffs? I usually use them underneath my eyes, but since this is so big, you can definitely use this for loose powders and put it in here like this, where it'll be a little bit more gentle, and then press it on your face. That'll be good for like if you have oily skin, you can kind of press that powder in. Okay, that's what the color looks like on the back of my hand like that. Now let's see. It feels very, this feels very lightweight underneath my eyes. I don't, if that makes sense. That powder. You don't need a lot. It's kind of like, okay, you don't, I feel like you don't need a lot, and I feel like it's, I don't want to say chalky, but it's very like fine. The powder is, I don't know, it feels kind of dry too as well. And it's like you don't need a lot, because you can see, like, you know, you don't need a lot because the powder just spreaded itself over there. Yeah, a little ashy like that. Okay, it's very, like I said, it feels very fine. I don't know, we're gonna see, but I don't, maybe I'm gonna try to use a brush next time. I don't know if I like it with the sponge. And then my under eyes already kind of look a little dark right now in person. Maybe because I used that black. Okay, I don't know. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the What's Up Beauty Win Dancer Press Setting Powder. They sent me this in PR as well. And this is the shade Win Dancer. Well, the name of the powder is Win Dancer, but I have the shade Deep. I'm going to go ahead and set my face with this. Let's set it. Let's move on to bronzer. I'm going to try the What's Up Beauty Cheeque Terre. I don't know if I'm saying it right, y'all. Like I said before, the color Deep. I haven't tried this yet. Just kind of swirl it around a little bit. I'm a little nervous. Probably. And I feel like this, like if you're lighter than me, this probably will show up a little bit better, but I do wish they had some darker shades. Okay. You can like, I'm gonna add another bronzer. I don't know. I can barely see it a little bit. I mean, I can see something, but you definitely have to build it up. But it's not a bad color, but if you're lighter than me, you can definitely wear this. Yeah, but I would definitely keep playing with this. Yeah, probably gonna add a little bit something else on top. But I mean, it's not bad. Bronzer on top, which is the Juvias Place. Just gonna add the deeper shade at the bottom, just for a little Razzle dazzle. Try the Juvias Place blush in terracotta. I do have 3 other shades, but we're gonna try this shade today. Don't mean to flick you all off. Okay. Oh, hello. That was a lot. I like my blush on like the apples of my cheek. I wasn't expecting that. A little bit more. Definitely don't need a lot. Very pigmented, very. My lip liner, I'm gonna try this lip liner from Morphe. This is in the color, I think it was plum. This is a nude too, Passionate Plum from Morphe, from one of their lines. Oh, it's so nice, and it's not creamy, it's just like a basic, you know, lip liner, but it's not tugging or anything. I'm gonna take MAC's lipstick in the color Yash, and this color is like a pinky nude, so I'll put that down first. I'm gonna take this lip gloss from the beauty supply store, and this is from Broadwat, but this is their tinted lip gloss in the color Nude Pink. I'm gonna use the Nicka K blush in the color, well, the number is ND011 with this here color, a little bit. Everything is pigmented. Oh my god. Go ahead and spray my face with this Revolution setting spray. Oop. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look, and I think this shade turned out pretty well when it comes to the foundation. I'm going to leave that video link down below, and you guys are going to see what I'm talking about. Some of you all may remember. Go ahead and end the video here. I will leave everything down below that I used in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. And yeah, I will see you guys in another video. If you like what you see on my whole entire channel, make sure you guys subscribe and like and comment down below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.